Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the bank to Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your app, and after that, we will need either you can start add it from the home screen or you can start uh, setting up your profile. So basically, if you want just to go to your profile by clicking on your profile, you will be redirected to this page. And in the account and settings, you will start finding the linked banks. By clicking on the linked banks, you will be able to see all your accounts there. And all we need to do is just to click on link the bank so you can add a bank account here so you can link it to your Cash App. And after that, you will need just to start choosing the bank. So you will have uh, a page or you will have to, you will see a number of choices to add your bank card or bank account. And then you will be able to start adding your informations. So basically, by clicking on it, you will need just to click on continue so it can take you to follow the instructions. So they will ask you for the account number and of course the type of bank or the name of bank, and you will need just to add your account number and many other information so you can start linking your bank account. After that, a verification will be required, of course, for a security measure, and after that, you will be able to start linking your banks. And after that, you will be able to start seeing your bank accounts either by going to the cash menu or the money tab. And from there, you can click on accounts and routing and you can start seeing all your bank cards or all your bank accounts. And basically, uh, that's how you can do it. And thank you for watching and see you next time.